Here are some best-selling books on personal finance that have received positive reviews and have been popular among readers. 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book challenges conventional wisdom about money and provides insights into building wealth and achieving financial independence. 2. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Ramsey offers a step-by-step guide for getting out of debt, managing money, and building wealth through his proven 7-step plan. 3. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Although not solely focused on personal finance, this classic book emphasizes the power of positive thinking and outlines principles for achieving success, including financial success. 4. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Known as the Bible of Investing, this book provides timeless advice on value investing and the importance of analyzing stocks and bonds to make informed investment decisions. 5. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book examines the habits and characteristics of America's wealthy individuals, offering insights on how to accumulate wealth by living below your means and making smart financial choices. 6. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. This book explains the basics of investing and argues for a passive, index-based approach to investing in the stock market. 7. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Sethi provides a 6-week personal finance program for young adults, covering topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and negotiating. 8. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book focuses on transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence by aligning your spending with your values and priorities. Please note that the popularity and bestseller status of books may change over time. It's always a good idea to check current bestseller lists or review sites for the most up-to-date information on popular personal finance books.